Okay, so we'll be looking at creating stairs, and I mean there's a whole lot to learn about stairs, different kinds of stairs, but since we are looking at beginner, I'll just show you just the fundamental. So when you come to the architecture tab right here, you come to the circulation panel over here, then you click the stair tool, then you can just begin to draw your stair. You notice that when I click to draw my stair, I am being shown the number of rises created and the number of rises remaining. So as I keep extending uh, the stair by pulling the cursor, now it tells me zero rises remaining. Okay. And the default rises is giving me is 24. So let me just click here. So our stair has been created. And the arrow here is simply showing us the direction of the stair. But what if I want to reduce the rises? What do? I can click on the stair. Then you see this ball um, on this end. I can click and drag it. And then I can begin to reduce the rises. So you can see initially, I mean, it's 24, but now it's 20. I just dragged it and reduced the number of rises. What if I want to increase the width of the stair? I can click the stair again and then I can pull on this. So I click this and then I pull it the left to the right. Yeah, so these are just basics for the stair. We want to see how that looks in elevation. So this is the stair that we just created. That's a stringer over there. And then you can see the thread and then the rises. Okay. So you can what we did with the rises, you can even do that in elevation view. So I am just holding on to that ball thing over here. And when I pull it, when I push it down, and the number of stairs or the number of rises reduces. Okay. So once I'm done with that, click finish here, and then my railings too are created. So you can see stair over here. So these are simply basics. You can you can play with the stair too. I'm sure as you play with it, you would find out other things. But yes, we'll go deeper into stairs, how to create spiral stairs, blah 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 blah. But not now. For now, just dealing with the basics. And we want to finally look at creating landings. So I want to create a stair again. Remember, I come to stair on the circulation panel. I click, then I end click here. I want to create a landing. I can specify the landing to start from here. So wherever I'm clicking now will continue a staircase as you would see very shortly. So I click here. Okay. You see that's the landing over there. You see that's the landing. You see, and then I can continue the stairs. So in creating landings, you need to have in mind the number of rises you want to put at one point. Then you have to be sure of how wide you want your landing to be, and then you continue the stair. So when you click that stair. So I want to do it again. I click stair. Okay. Then you see if I use all the rises, I'll not be able to create a landing. Let's try it. So I've used all the rises. It says zero rises remaining. Now I can't, I'm trying to click to do the landing. I can't do the landing. So you just uh make sure that in doing landings, you don't exhaust. I mean, I don't know what design you'll be doing to exhaust the rises. So you just have that in mind. Okay, so um let's do that again. I do this. I end it here. I come to click here. because you should have in your imagination how you want the landing to come out, you see. So I'm clicking here to continue on the stair, you see, and just can even do two landings here. Okay. So even after doing it and you don't like what you've done, you can do some adjustments. Okay, you want to reduce the landing. So like I'm trying to reduce the landing, and you see all I did was um I clicked on the staircase and then I adjusted it. So I clicked and then I did the adjustment. So I can click on the landing. I can increase the size of the landing or I can decrease it. Okay, so I clicked on this landing here and then I adjusted. Okay, so once you've done that and you're okay, you simply hit finish here and you have your stair. Okay, so these are simply basics. I mean, we'll go into more detail um into this. Thank you very much. And we move on to the next thing.